number 1 in creating horrifying harmonies is to come up with some terrifying triads. Try going from a minor 1 to a minor 6. Tip number 2 for creating horrifying harmonies is to take a creepy chord progression and add in some spooky suspensions. Tip number 3 in creating horrifying harmonies is to take your creepy chord progression and manipulate the rhythm into a wicked waltz. Tip number 4 in creating horrifying harmonies is to take your creepy chord progression and play it up in a high register of the piano. This will make it sound like a nightmare nursery rhyme. Tip number 5 to creating horrifying harmonies is to outline creepy chord progressions with abhorrent arpeggios.
Hey, just before you go, make sure you click here to subscribe, and we've got thousands of other videos all on the topic of music education and teaching, so make sure you check out some of those other ones here, and I'll see you in the next video.